Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. I welcome all of you for the environmental classes. Today's environmental class is for class 12th, and today's topic that we are going to discuss is the control of air pollution. Dear friends and students, air pollution cannot be absolutely stopped, but it is possible to minimize it. The modern, progressive, and civilized man is getting more and more mechanized machinery and pollution are inseparable. Nevertheless, the following 20 measures can check the air pollution to a large extent. Number first is installation of pollution control equipments. It is easier to control the pollution at its source. The effective way to reduce the air pollution is to modify the industrial processes. One way to do it is to install a pollution control equipment such as electrostatic precipitators or filters in the factories which check the pollutants to escape into the atmosphere. Number second is use of low sulfur fuels. Another way to reduce sulfur dioxide pollution is to use a fuel which has very low amount of sulfur as impurity in it. Number third, desulfurization. Sulfur dioxide pollution can be controlled by removing the sulfur from the fuel either before combustion or after combustion. Number fourth, substituting the fuel. The most dependable method to check the sulfur dioxide pollution is to substitute the conventional combustive fuel by a non-combustive fuel such as electricity, hydropower, wind power, solar energy, or nuclear energy are the examples. Number 50 is use of standard fuels in vehicles. The fuel in the vehicle should be of high quality so that it produces minimum smoke. Number 6 is installation of tall chimneys on the factories is the another method by which the concentration of pollutants can be reduced at ground level. Number 70 is location of industries should be far away from thickly populated areas. The recent Bhopal tragedy should serve a lesson. The leakage of the lethal gas from the pesticide unit caused a large scale mortality because the industry was located in the heart of the city and the pollution was in the concentrated form over the entire city. Had the industry been located at a distance of a few kilometers from the city, situation would not have been so tragic. So, my dear friends, this air pollution, it is very important to control the pollution. Thanks, my dear viewers, for watching me on the YouTube.